Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a clothing haul, as you guys could tell by the title. So I recently just bought a lot of like new clothes and stuff for spring and summer, and I also bought some shoes from LOLA SHOETIQUE, and this was like my first time buying from LOLA SHOETIQUE, so I didn't really know what to expect, but I do know they have a lot of like cute shoes and everything. So I'm gonna start there just because I think shoes will be faster to show you guys. So I'm also going to be doing a try on haul. You guys are going to see me like with the clothes on and everything. So if you guys want to see what I got, then just keep on watching. Let's start with my favorite shoes. So I love these shoes. They are black and they are super sparkly. Like the front is just full of black jewels. And I really love these. They are super cute. The only problem, as you guys can tell, I've already worn them, and the only problem that I have with them is that I tried cleaning them, but I feel like, especially right here, I don't know if you guys can tell that I tried cleaning them and it's just the stain won't come off. So if you guys know of anything to clean your shoes, like just let me know, like at least the bottom part, like this part right here. But yeah, these are super cute. I love them so much. They're like everything I ever wanted. I love these shoes so much that I also bought them in a different color. I bought them in this pink magical color. They are so beautiful. These I haven't worn. I just think they're so beautiful to even wear, but I love them so much. They're also like bedazzled at the front, as you guys can tell. They're so sparkly and they shine so much out in the sun. Like, and this ones you can tell, I don't know if the black ones have that. Oh yeah, the black ones do have that too, but on this one you can tell more that this part, it's like a lot more shinier, and like, look how beautiful it looks. Like everything on this one, you can tell like everything's just super sparkly, and I love them. Next, I also saw these little cute sandals. So they're these ones. They're like pink with, they look like clouds to me, like pink clouds with like some white clouds mixed in, and these say Cupid right here. But again, I bought them at LOLA SHOETIQUE. They are super cute. They are super comfortable. These sandals fit perfect. There's like no complaints with them. I love this sandal. I think it's so cute to wear like a maxi dress or like skirt or like something like super flowy and like boho, and it's just super cute. I love them. They are so adorable and they fit perfect. These are also a size 6. I just love them. And I also bought another pair similar to those, but these are like the squares. What are these things called? Plaid? Online they looked like it was blue, but in person they're just black, gray, and white. And I just think these are so cute as well. They also do fit perfect, and they here also says Cupid. I don't know why. Again, I bought them in LOLA SHOETIQUE. I don't know. But yeah, I really do love them. I think they're so cute, and they are also so comfortable as well. I love them so much. The last pair of sandals that I got are these black ones. They're like wavy on top, and these have 3 straps rather than only 2 like the other 2 pairs. And I've worn these ones before. They are also super comfortable. I really do like them. So I just bought these ones because I thought they were super cute, and they're just black and they would go with any outfit because they're just plain black. So that's all the shoes I got from LOLA SHOETIQUE, and the best thing that when I bought them, they were having a sale. Moving on, I got this from WINDSOR. This is super cute. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a dress. I was gonna say it's a romper, but it's not. It's a dress. It's super beautiful. I love it. And I was looking for dresses, and it is off the shoulder as well. Most of the things I got are off the shoulder. I don't know why, but I guess lately I've been into off the shoulder things, and that's weird because I've never been into off the shoulder type of shirts or dresses or anything. I've always hated it. Like, I don't know why I always like hated having things like right here on my shoulder, but lately I've been digging it, and I've been really loving it. Fabric is not super thick. It's like very airy, very fresh, very flowy, and I really do love it. And it's not super short either. And that's the only thing I got from WINDSOR. So now we're gonna move on to Forever 21, which that's where I went a little bit crazy and I got a whole bunch of stuff. Let's start with this vibrant pink fuchsia shirt. It's also off the shoulder. I already tried them on yesterday and they all fit super fabulous. I love them. So yeah, it's just super, so I love it because it's just super airy, super flowy, and as well as the dress, it's like not a thick fabric. It's like you can kind of like see through it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you can kind of see through it. So it's like perfect for the summer, especially here that it gets so hot. Like even now we're still in winter and it's super hot. I love this shirt so much that I bought it in 2 colors. It was in this color and I think I bought it in a white shirt. So here's the white shirt. It's the same exact shirt, just in a white. Can you guys see it? And you can definitely tell this one's gonna be a little bit more see-through, more something. So if you don't feel comfortable, like you can wear like a strapless shirt, I would say, like underneath, one of those like little crop tops that are just strapless that you can put underneath. I would like to do that. But yeah, they're just the same. I just love these so much that I couldn't resist not buying them in 2 different colors. Okay, so the next thing I bought is this sweater. It's an olive sweater and it's kind of like thick, but the reason why I bought sweaters is because, okay, they were on sale, and since I am moving back to Connecticut, obviously it's gonna be winter, it's gonna be cold, so, and I barely have any new like winter clothes. Like I always use the same one that I came with 2 years ago. Like every time I go over there, it's like I use the same clothes. Like every December that we go over there, it's like I take the same clothes because I haven't bought any new winter clothes. So I figured it's time to buy winter clothes. And now that the winter's leaving, like, you know, all the winter's clothes are on sale, so now it's a good time to buy winter clothes. And I bought this sweater in 2 colors. I bought it in this olive green and also in a mauve pink. So yeah, I love this sweater so much. It's so comfortable, and I just love living in sweaters. Like I love sweaters way too much. And next I got this other shirt. This one's also like very airy, very summertime, very spring, and I love like the V-neck cutout. And also in the back it has a V-neck cutout and it has this little strap on the back, and I just love it. It's like so chic, and I love the black polka dots, and it's just like I don't have anything like it. I got this kimono. This kimono is so beautiful and it's so long. I love kimonos. I love living in kimonos during the summer. A pair of shorts, a tank top like this one, or like a regular tank top, and a kimono on top, and some sneakers or some flip-flops or some sandals. Best outfit ever. Like cardigans and kimonos are like, to me, almost the same thing, but kimonos are a little bit more flowy. Next I got a pair of pants, which are these are ankle pants, so they're not gonna go all the way to the floor, they're just gonna reach your ankles, and they're so beautiful. They're kind of like boho and flowy and just airy, and I got them in a size medium just because I wanted to be on the safe side, but I think I could have gotten away with a size small because they do stretch a lot and you could like tighten them. So I mean, I guess it's fine. Well, like I said, all of this fabric is type of like airy kind of fabric because it's like summer, and that's like the type of fabric you want to be wearing during hot Florida heatness. It's just way too hot here. I cannot wait to leave. Like, let me tell you, it's the summer. I can handle Florida heat during the winter and maybe some of the spring, but once we start getting closer and closer to summer, I'm out. I'm bouncing. Like, it's way too hot here. Like, it's just way too hot here. I don't know how people live here. Like, I cannot live here any longer. Like, it's too hot. So next I got this really cute as well off the shoulder top. I love this one. It's so beautiful. It's a plain blue and white striped shirt, and it has like, oh, right here it has like a, like the sleeve kind of goes like, it opens up like this. So I got another similar one that's blue and white, and it has the only difference, this one's like more blue. So on this one the stripes are the same width, and on this one you have more of that blue stripes and little tiny white stripes, and I love it. And also this one has this lacy design at the end of the sleeve, so I really love it. And also at the bottom it has like the same design, and it's super cute. It is also off the shoulder, so I love it. Next, I also bought this cardigan from Forever 21. Everything's from Forever 21. This one is so beautiful. This one's a little bit more like on the thicker fabric side, but it's still like pretty flowy and everything, because the sleeves are not like too tight, they're like kind of loose and everything. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but like the leaves are right here. Yeah, but it's super long as well. I love long cardigans and long kimonos. I live and die for them. Next I have this, oh, this one's gonna be like one of my favorites. I love it. This one's also an off the shoulder shirt, and it's just another striped shirt. Clearly I'm very into stripes this summer and to off shoulder clothes. I don't know why, but I always have this like specific trend every summer. Like I always, when I buy something, I always find like buy like the same color, like just different shirts. And I guess this summer is gonna be all stripy and off the shoulder. Again, the fabric is like very like similar to the kimono and to the other and to like this shirt, so I gotta be very careful when washing it. Make sure I don't throw it in the dryer before it shrinks. And yeah, it's super like cute and flowy, and I really love it. I think that's it for all of those. So now I'm gonna show you guys my favorite sweater in this entire world. Are you guys ready to see this? Are you ready? So, oh my goodness, you guys have no idea. When I saw it, I bought this at the store, and then I see this hanging there, and I knew the moment I saw it, I was like, this needs to be mine. I need this in my life. And I did not leave the store without it. I couldn't leave the store without it. I was like, ah, my life has been complete. If you guys don't know something about me, I freaking love Mario. I love all the Mario games. I just love playing Mario. I love playing Nintendo. I am obsessed with Mario. You guys have no idea my obsession over Mario. Like, it's crazy. I love Mario. I even have a Mario hat. And this right here completed my life. All I need for this sweater is like some sweatpants that have this design, and I'm set for life. Guys, you guys don't know how happy I am that this sweater came into my life. I freaking love it. And it is kind of like a crop top sweater, but I got it in like a size medium. I should have gotten it in like size large, because I love my sweaters to be super oversized and super like flowy and just super comfy. But it fits good. It fits like perfect. It's not like, you know, crop top. It is supposed to be kind of like a crop top sweater, but I don't like my sweaters to be crop top, you know. I like them to be long and cover everything. I love this sweater so much. You guys have no idea. This sweater makes my life so happy. And I love playing Super Mario Kart. It's so beautiful. I love it. I'm obsessed. That's everything that I bought for this haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed it so much. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys! These birds! Yo, there's birds! You just shut up! What? Someone's here. Oh my god, that was tiring.